right now makes one of maybe the best buying opportunity we've had all year. My name is Brian. This is Rolling in Crypto. And if you appreciate us coming to you every weekday with the latest news and the best in cryptocurrency, please subscribe, please like this video, and let's get into it. If you've ever heard the term to be greedy when others are fearful and to buy low and sell high, well, this is what it looks like. Right now, if you look at the fear and greed index, we're at 28. So we're in a lot of fear. There's a lot of FUD in the market. So I know it can be hard. It can, when the market's going down that you want a time to buy into, but this is what it looks like. So right now can make one of the best buying opportunities as all the cryptocurrency market is down. So while others are being fearful, let's get greedy. One of the things that I always look at when it comes to, I'm going to start buying back into increase my bags when the market's going down, is do I feel like the market's just going to kind of tank and go extremely lower? And right now, I personally, this is just my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, that it's not going to. One of the biggest stats that I've been looking at is that right now the Bitcoin on exchanges is at an all-time low. If you look at it over the course of the year, we're right now at the lowest point we've ever been all year with Bitcoin on exchanges. So it'd be really tough to have a pretty big decline in the price of Bitcoin when right now exchanges don't have a lot of Bitcoin. I also think this can create a little bit of a squeeze that once the prices start going up and people start buying back in, that the exchanges just don't have a large supply of Bitcoin at all. So we're going to look at, so what do we think is a great buying opportunity? When the whole market's down like this, I think I always go to what are the top cryptocurrencies, what are the top coins that I am really interested in, that I really want to increase my bags with, that are going to be around for the long term. So I kind of start in the top 10. Two of them just completely jump out to me. If you look at Solana, is down 33% in the last 30 days, and Cardano are down 39.8% in the last 30 days. So they have had a major drop, which makes a great buying opportunity to buy low. So there's a lot of fear around Solana. They had some different types of hacks, but I look at it from a macro standpoint. Do I want to hold Solana for the long term? Do I think it's going to be around for the long term? And I start looking at this, that it's just positive news that keep and reinforcing the fact that Solana could be one of the biggest players in cryptocurrency for the next 10 years. Grayscale Investment launches their trust with exposure to Ethereum competitor Solana. And this is from the CEO of Grayscale. In many investors' minds, there's a continued appetite to invest in Solana, says Grayscale CEO Michael Sonnensheim. In some sense, it is the most cost-effective blockchain than Ethereum. And today we are seeing over 500 decentralized apps and about 1.2 million monthly active users on the network. When you kind of take a step back and you see how quickly it has been able to ramp up, it's certainly pretty impressive. The next cryptocurrency that we just talked about that I think just has an amazing buying opportunity is Cardano. Support for the bullish outlook for Cardano's price and the recent uptick in the average transaction size from 23,877 to 83,704. This 250% spike in the transfer size indicates that investors are interested in the price of ADA at the current levels and are actively pouring money into it. Two significant clusters of underwater investors appear at $1.42 and $1.60. Here, roughly 381,000 and 441,000 addresses purchased nearly 4.3 billion and 5.2 billion ADA tokens, respectively. Therefore, an uptick in buying pressure that propels Cardano's price into these clusters is likely to be met with a selling momentum that holders trying to break even. Hence, ADA bulls need to be clear of these two levels to reach their destination of $1.75. So in the short term, these could be pressure points for the increase in Cardano's rise. But if you think Cardano is here for the future, this just becomes a great opportunity to buy low so that you can sell high later. One of the things that gives me great confidence that I look at as it relates to ADA and Cardano is how many wallet addresses are holding Cardano. You can see here in the chart as it ramps up from September, October, and just the huge spike into November and December. Crypto Compares report details that monthly transactions on Cardano blockchain grew 75.8% to 46.2 million in November. hitting a monthly all-time high. The average daily zero balance addresses also rose by 82.1% from 66,000 to 120,000, the report details. As Crypto Globe reported, the number of addresses on the Cardano network staking ADA has grown to surpass the 1 million mark. Even amid a cryptocurrency market downturn that saw the space lose over 400 billion in market capitalization, similar earlier this month, the network hit a milestone after processing 20 million transactions. There are over 1 million wallets holding Cardano. This gives me a lot of just trust that Cardano is going to be one of the biggest cryptocurrencies going forward. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is simply my opinion. I simply see now as just this great opportunity to increase your bags in some of the best cryptocurrencies that I think are going to be here for the future. If you really enjoy this video, please subscribe, please like this video, and enjoy.